Hi guys, welcome back to Latoya Designs and Decor. So I'm doing 4 DIYs today. The first one is a hanging planter, and I purchased this planter bucket from the Dollar Tree. And then next you would need some yarn, and I got some white yarn. You can use whatever yarn you want. I purchased this yarn from Walmart. I cut 3 long strings. Whatever your preference is on the length is fine. I cut that, put it in knots, and it's only 2 slits. Normally it's 3, but I had to work with 2. And I did that for each side, and then you can place whatever flower you desire in the inside. For my next DIY, I went to Micheals and I purchased this bunny tail. It was actually 40% off, so I only got it for like $3. It's so cute on either side, but I'm only going to paint the tail and the feet. I use my favorite Waverly white chalk paint in 2 coral colors from Apple Barrel, and then there's another one. I'll just put it in the description box. But I just decided to paint the outside with the coral, and of course I did the feet with the white Waverly chalk paint, and it just turned out so cute, guys. Also guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you are not subscribed as well, go ahead and click the red button. You will get all of my notifications on all the latest DIYs that I do. I do them really frequently, weekly, and I do small ones, I do big ones, I do furniture flips. So if you want to be a part of this family, just click on the notifications. Also, I am on Instagram. You can follow me on IG at Latoya Designs and Decor or Latoya Home Trends, either or. I would glad to have you be a part of this family. So for DIY number 3, I'm using my Waverly Ink black paints and 2 Dollar Tree canvas boards, and I'm using a dry brush. Please remember to use a dry brush, and I'm just going through on each of the boards, and I'm just making strips going along so it can actually look like a canvas. And I did that twice, and then after I did that and let it dry, used some rose gold letters, and I spelled the word out, love, and I put 2 letters on each board so it can be a separate but one board, and it just turned out so pretty. So for my last and final DIY, these are the items that you're going to use. I used the white shells. I had 2 of them from IKEA. They were 50% off, so I got them for $6 in total. And I just placed holes in my wall on each side. I did line them up with the materials you see previously so that they could be straight. And I hooked those, and then I just started to decorate my wall with everything, with all the DIYs that I did. Guys, so this is the outcome. This is how it all came together, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And if you have a comment or question, please leave it in the box. I will leave everything in the description box. Guys, I love how all this turned out, and I hope you love it too. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.